Hello everyone. Today I am here with a topic which will help you to learn the countries following franc as currency. So today I am going to help you with some short trick which will help you to learn all the countries which are following franc as currency. So there are about 22 countries which are following franc as currency, and it becomes very difficult to learn all these names. So I am here with a short trick. Let's move to the short trick, how it is going to help us to learn. So now the trick is, Ben and Mali had car to go Bengal and lightened camera. Lightened camera here means they switched on the camera to see tiger and gibbon. Okay, now how it is going to work? Now the first one is Ben. Ben is for Benin, so it is the country which is following franc. Mali is for Mali. Had is for Chad. Car is divided into C stands for Central, A stands for African, and R stands for Republic. So Central African Republic. So then Togo is for Togo. Then we have Bengal, Bengal stands for Senegal. Then we have Lighten is for Liechtenstein. So Lighten is for Liechtenstein. Camera is for Cameroon. Tiger is for Niger. Gibbon is for the country Gabon. So there are certain pictures which are indicating some of the characters which I used in the short trick. The trick is Ben and Mali had car to go Bengal and lightened, so they turn on the camera to see tiger and gibbon. So this will help you to learn some of the countries which are following franc as currency. We will move to the next slide, and which will help us further countries. Now here we are with the next short trick. Now how the short trick is, G Boutique, this is the name of the boutique, that is the G Boutique. RC stands for received. Coat of ivory. Coat, you can see the picture here. This is the coat of ivory. And burkini, you can see the woman is wearing burkini. So it is a dress code for Muslim women. Instead of bikini, they can wear burkini, and they got it from Switzerland. So G Boutique received coat of ivory, as you can see in the picture. So coat of ivory and burkini from Switzerland. So how it is going to work? So G Boutique stands for Djibouti. RC stands for Republic of the Congo. Coat of ivory is for Cote d'Ivoire. Burkini is for Burundi. Switzerland is for Switzerland. So these are the 5 countries which we can learn through the short trick, that G Boutique received coat of ivory and burkini from Switzerland. Now we will move to the next slide, which will help us to learn the further countries which are following franc as currency. Now here in this slide we will learn some other countries which are also following the franc as currency. So now the short trick is, Dr. Congo Commando wanted Equatorial Guinea pig big sauce. Guinea pig, as you can see in the picture, that the small creature is known as guinea pig, and they wanted guinea pig big sauce. So Dr. Congo had commando, and they want Equatorial Guinea pig big sauce. As you can see, that is the small creature is the guinea pig. Now how it is going to help you to learn the countries which are following franc as currency. Now listen how it is going to work. That the first one is Dr. Congo, or you can simply say DRC, which will help us to learn democratic. D stands for democratic, R stands for republic, and C for Congo. That is Democratic Republic of Congo. The Dr. Congo means Democratic Republic of Congo. Now commando is for Comoros. Then the another word is wanted. Wanted is for Rwanda. Then we have Equatorial Guinea. That is Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea is for Equatorial Guinea. Here you have to note that the term Guinea is used for 3 countries. one is for Equatorial Guinea, another is for Guinea, and the last one is that is for Guinea. Big sauce is for Guinea Bissau. Bissau. So Bissau Bissau, that is Guinea Bissau. So this Equatorial Guinea big sauce is for Equatorial Guinea, then the country Guinea, and then we have Guinea Bissau. So these are the three countries which have some common word, that is Guinea. And you can see that the picture, the small creature is named as guinea pig, and you can find that a lot of guinea pigs in these countries also. Okay, now so this is all about the trick which will definitely help you to learn the countries following franc as currency. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us, as it will inform you when we will launch our more videos. Thanks for watching.